Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss a development that has received very little attention in the media but could have enormous consequences for millions of people around the world. Europe is finally beginning to take statelessness seriously. What does that mean? A stateless person is someone who is not recognized as a citizen by any country. Without nationality, many people face difficulties obtaining passports, accessing public services, traveling, studying, working, or even proving who they are. For years, statelessness remained largely invisible within European legal systems. But recent developments between 2024 and 2026 suggest that this is starting to change. The first major development comes from the European Union itself. Under the new EU Pact on Migration and Asylum, authorities are now required to identify and register indications of statelessness during screening and asylum procedures. This may sound like a small administrative change, but it is actually very important. If authorities never identify stateless people, they cannot provide solutions. The new rules create a legal obligation to recognize the issue instead of ignoring it. A second important development comes from European courts. Recent judgments from the Court of Justice of the European Union emphasize that nationality is not simply a political privilege. Nationality affects fundamental rights. Courts are increasingly requiring governments to justify decisions involving citizenship and to consider the consequences for the individuals affected. Germany has also introduced major reforms to its citizenship law. Multiple citizenship is now generally accepted, and naturalization has become more accessible for many long-term residents. These reforms can help reduce future cases of statelessness and provide more secure legal pathways for integration. At the same time, challenges remain. Germany still does not have a dedicated procedure for determining whether a person is stateless. And Greece continues to face criticism from international organizations because it still lacks such a procedure as well. This means that many people remain trapped in legal uncertainty. Perhaps the most encouraging development concerns children. International organizations such as UNHCR and the OSCE are increasingly emphasizing the prevention of childhood statelessness. This is extremely important because a child without nationality often faces obstacles throughout their entire life. Nationality is more than a passport. It is access to rights, identity, security, and legal protection. So, where are we today? The problem has not been solved. Millions of people worldwide remain stateless. Many legal systems still contain gaps. But for the first time in many years, we are seeing coordinated action from European institutions, courts, and international organizations. Europe appears to be moving from simply managing statelessness toward actively trying to prevent and resolve it. The progress is slow, the reforms are incomplete, but the direction is encouraging. And for families affected by statelessness, that direction matters. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in citizenship law, statelessness, comparative law, and cross-border family law, please subscribe to the channel and follow the ongoing discussion at Law-Clinic.eu. See you in the next video.